Hello Bibb County and welcome to your second Classlink video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add additional applications to the My Apps page and how you can customize the My Apps page. First, let's talk about adding additional applications. To do this, you'll click on the plus sign at the top left of your page. This is the app library. The app library contains thousands of applications, and you're welcome to add whatever you want to your My Apps page. If the application has a blue ribbon with a white key, it'll prompt you to enter your username and password the first time that you click on it. If it does not have a blue ribbon with a white key, it's just a web link. If you want to add an application, just click on the green Add button. This will be added to your My Apps page and your My Apps page only. You can also search for additional applications. And when you search, if there are multiple options that appear, just ask yourself, do you sign in when you go to Khan Academy? If the answer is yes, you want to add the application with the key. If the answer is no, then you want to add the application without the key. Students only see the Bibb County Library. So if you would like your students to be able to add any applications to their My Apps page, simply request that those applications be added to the Bibb County Library. If you are looking for additional applications and cannot find them in the app library, all you have to do is contact your media specialist. They will be able to get that app created for you. You can see that now I have ABC Mouse as well as Khan Academy here on My Apps page. You can also search through the applications that are on your My Apps page. I do that by simply typing on my keyboard. If I'm looking for Safari, I just type the letter S, A, and now here is Safari. I can click on that resource and come back to Classlink, and it will instantly clear that search box for me as well. Next, let's show you how you can customize the My Apps page. You can do that by going into Edit Mode, which is the piece of paper and a pencil symbol at the top right. From here, I can do a few things. I can move my apps around in any order. I can put my Bibb County office first, and you'll notice that for some reason, it looks like my icon ended up behind the others. If that ever happens, you simply just refresh your apps page, go back into edit mode, and move your app again. You'll see all of the apps should realign. Again, you can move your apps around anywhere that you would like. The next thing that you can do is you can delete applications that you have added from the app library. Notice that the Bibb County office is locked because this was assigned to me. But ABC Mouse, on the other hand, has a red X. I can delete this app and it will no longer appear on the apps page. If I wanted it back, I could just go back into the app library and click Add. The next thing that I can do is create a folder. The simple way to do this is by taking one application and dragging it on top of another. So I can take Safari Montage, drag it on top of Employee Self-Service, and there is my folder. Notice I waited for my applications to get small. I can take Let's Talk, drag that to the new folder, and wait for the application to get small. Now there are 3 apps inside. In order to edit my folder, I can click on this edit symbol at the top right, and this will allow me to rename my folder, and I can give it a new color. And here is that folder. I can open the folder if I want to pull an application out of the folder by hovering on top of Safari Montage and clicking on the little up arrow that I see. This will pull the app out of the folder and right back onto my apps page. I can also delete a folder. To delete my folder, I do not have to empty it. I can just click on the red X in the top right. That will delete the folder and pop my icons out to the end of my list. The other things that I can do here in edit mode is I can change the icon style from square to round. I can change my icon size from my medium size to either smaller or bigger. And I can change the font size underneath, either smaller or bigger. My theme is the top ribbon of my screen. I can change that to be whatever I'd like. As well as my wallpaper is this background. Again, I can change that to be whichever one I'd like. Once you are done in edit mode, you can click on this X in the top right. And at this point, you can just click on your applications and use them. This is everything that I have to show you in the second video. I look forward to showing you more.